Hello, my name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is 45th part of explanation of my theory. Cosmic microwave background radiation sources are still active. I recommend you watch my 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th and 26th videos. According to my theory and my formulas, 1. There are two types of the light. A. Proton-bounded electron motion forms single wave pulses. These pulses are single pulses produced and pushed by proton-bounded electron motion form, and they enlarge through eternity whether their source is inactive or active. Laser waves are artificial successive single-wave pulses, and these pulses are not connected with each other or with their laser source. In spite of their laser source stop, they continue to enlarge through eternity. B. Free electron motion forms successive waves. These waves are instantly connected with each other through their source's axis. Their source is free electron motion form. When a free electron motion form makes a joint motion form with another electron-like motion form, it cannot produce and propagate successive waves. So, at that time, a countless number of produced and propagated successive waves vanish instantly. Therefore, for any free electron motion form successive waves, still, if we meet with them, we cannot say that they are remnant radiation. All continuous spectrums and blackbody radiations are resultants of relocating free electron motion form successive waves. And all of these spectrums are anisotropic. CMBR, cosmic microwave background radiation, is anisotropic also. Therefore, CMB sources free electron motion forms. Therefore, CMB sources free electron motion forms are still producing and propagating the successive waves. CMBR is not remnant radiation. CMBR sources still there are. Universe's fire still alive. CMBR sources are still alive. Universe's fire is still not extinguished. The torch is still lit. And, in fact, there is no age for the universe. Once upon a time, I have drawn that picture. There was a drunk, a bottle in his hand, and the mosque. What days? Have a good night. See you later.